In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail alias. This can be especially useful if you want to keep your inbox organized or need an extra layer of privacy while managing your emails. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to be logged into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser, head over to Gmail, and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look over to the top right corner of your Gmail interface. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select See All Settings to take you to the full settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is the area where you can manage all sorts of account-related features, like changing your password, adding contacts, and, yes, setting up a Gmail alias. Look for the section titled Send Mail As. This section allows you to add a new email alias. To proceed, click on the option that says Add another email address. A small window will pop up. Here, you'll want to type in the alias you'd like to set up. This can be a variation of your current email address or something completely different, just as long as it hasn't been used or isn't taken by someone else. Once you've typed in your desired alias, click the Next Step button. The next thing you'll need to do is confirm that you actually have access to this alias. Gmail will send a verification email to the alias email address you've just added. Go to your inbox and look for that email. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. Once you get the email, open it, and click on the verification link. This is a crucial step because it proves to Gmail that you own, or at least have access to, this alias address. Once you've clicked the link, your alias should be ready to use. Now that your alias is set up, let's test it. Compose a new email and click on the From field in your email composer. You should see a drop-down menu that includes both your primary email address and your newly created alias. Choose the alias and send an email to see if everything is working fine. The recipient of your email will see it coming from the alias rather than your primary email address. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Gmail alias. This new capability allows you to streamline your inbox and communicate in ways that fit your personal or professional needs better. Be sure to let us know if you have any other questions or tips to share in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.